I'm a writer.
Okay.
Freelancing in the sense for features as well as for advertising.
Advertising. What
Sure.
are the most stressful periods of your life? The most anxious?
The past year has been
Past year. What is the past year?
in terms of financial insecurity, emotional insecurity, relation-based insecurity. So,
what is the emotional insecurity?
in specific, it was mostly relation-based.
For example?
For example, now I've separated from my wife. 6 years of seeing each other, 3 years of marriage, and still figuring out, we went to a counselor also once in between.
What made you to go to counselor? What was happening in between that was disturbing?
We had no physical relation.
So that was the only reason?
That was not the only reason, and that is it. As I was telling the doctor also, I was looking at her like a person, not as a woman.
Okay.
So she was like my buddy.
Right.
I was missing out on the romance part.
What is the romance for you?
I don't look at her like a girl, as simple as that. We were so comfortable. I mean, our relation still is very healthy in terms of we are not like fighting.
What are you feeling because of this?
I still am not attracted towards her.
Towards.
No.
So what is disturbing you?
Like, what do I do now in life?
No. What is disturbing you?
What is disturbing me is that at one end I'm completely dependent on her.
How you depend on her?
Anything goes wrong, my first call goes to her.
Okay.
Anything goes right, also first call goes to her.
Okay.
I, as a person, requires a lot of constant care and nurturing and talking to nicely, which I'll reciprocate also. Not that it's not a parasitical relation, but that is at most important. Loads of attention and loads of being taken care of. So now suddenly one was left without it. So that's why the year was quite horrible in terms of that. Questioning myself whether I was doing the right thing.
Take me a few examples you cry for. You have fear of what?
I do fear for loneliness. I do.
What is the loneliness for you?
It's difficult to articulate that because company. Let's
what
put
is
it
a
that.
company for you?
Somebody who understands.
For example?
Somebody whose emotional quotient is quite high.
Okay.
So, like, I love talking to like really close people about various stuff, about stories, and ideas, and songs, and poetry, and music. I'm vastly interested into these subjects, and I can go on talking. Attraction, and because of which there was a performance. And
but you never wanted to be with her, talk to her, nothing?
Nothing. There was no X factor where I would like take initiative and let's go home and have sex. No, nothing. Security, and I need passion.
Security and passion. What is the security?
Security was with Kalyani.
Security was with Kalyani.
Yeah, the wife.
Right. And passion?
Was it Jasmine?
What is passion? What was missing from her? In 2 words.
Importance.
He's strong and he has his own ideas about his things.
Sentimental?
You're over sentimental and romantic.
Absolutely.
You want that romantic thing, what is happening and all.
But I also don't have false notions about it.
What is romantic ideas about your love life? You have an idea about fantasy
about spending time. If I'm spending time with you, I don't realize that there are 4 hours of past time.
So what do you look forward for spending means what exactly?
Could be anything. Talking or just sitting and staring at the wall also.
And that you're missing.
Yeah.
But you have an priority in a relationship.
Is intensity.
Intensity of being together.
Being together,
Okay. Give me an incident you cried in life.
Cried?
You cried. Literally you cried.
Powerlessness.
What is powerlessness?
I have no control over anything. I just recently cried.
Tell me one point.
I realized that I want to write, but I'm not. See, writing a feature film is like a huge process. It requires confidence and persistence. I was lacking in confidence and I was lacking in persistence. I was not keeping my work commitments. This doesn't happen because I'm known as somebody who will, there are 3 things required in my line of work. Either you're an amiable person, or you're really creative, or you do your work on time. If you fulfill even 2 of these, you're good. I should have finished.
So you feel that you're not able to do what you think in life.
Why
The
else
failure
will you
feeling is there. You
Yes,
know.
absolutely.
That's helpful.
You watch me walking right now, the sciatica is acting up.
Sciatica is there. How is the pain of sciatica for you?
Intense.
Okay. And where exactly the pain is there?
From the back, shoots down to the left leg.
Uh-huh.
But things up. At the age of 23, I bought a house and got my life settled. Got really big projects my way. And everything was going just right. Like in 2010, things were going at such a high that the high, at least in my circle, nobody knew of that kind of high. I was
And
meeting
then
the
how
right
it went?
people. This is a lot of feeling of failing people, because these people had, looked promise and gave me projects last year, and I didn't keep any deadline. Certain activities I do, you'll be like, does he even have any ego? But the other thing, even if you do the slightest thing, you'll be like, kitna ego hai yaar?